पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास। आशाएं आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो वार वार, कर दरियाओं को आर पार। आशाएं आशाएं तूफानों को चिर के मंजिलों को छीन ले। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। हो अपने संग तुझको वहाँ, जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। गुजरे ऐसे हर रात रात को ख्वाहिशों से बात बात। आशाएं 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 लेकर सूरज से आग आग, गाए जा अपने राग राग। आशाएं आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा, खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। थैंक यू।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our 14th annual day celebrations.
I am Bhargavi. We are excited to bring these grand evenings brimming with zest and celebrations.
It's rightly said, prayer is not asking, it is a longing of the soul. It is both an incredible expression of faith and a humble gesture of surrender towards the divine.
I request everyone to join for the prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahem तेजस्विनावदितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
I would like to welcome our chief guest and governing council members for lighting the lamp. With this lighting the lamp, we would like to thank Goddess of Knowledge for blessing us. I request Ms. Sneha Vakaria to introduce today's chief guest.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sneha Vakharia, and it's my honor to introduce our today's chief guest. Shri Prakash Rao is an industrialist, agriculturist, and an entrepreneur. He studied Bachelor of Arts. He believes that education changes lives, assuring that quality education is imparted in his educational institution. He started his own awesome group of schools located at Bowenpalli and Mahindra Hills. Being an entrepreneur and an industrialist, he understood the gap between what education sector and industry needed. Hence, he decided to establish a good educational institution with strong curriculum that can transform the educational scenario and mold all the students to become industry useful and future ready. Osimum International School was established in June 2013 with a single motto: to provide education. Osimum is the genus of basil. Within Ayurveda, Tulsi is known as the incomparable one, mother medicine of nature and the queen of herbs, and is revered as an elixir of life, that is, equal for both its medicinal and spiritual properties. Similarly, Osimum International School is the mother medicine for mind. Osimum is committed for providing exemplary teaching designed to make the child a productive member of the community. The spirit of intellectual curiosity, collaboration, critical thinking, and effective communication is fostered in the students. Also, Shri Prakash Rao's passion towards education made him to become the director of Ignite IAS Academy. He is providing employment for nearly 500 members in several organizations. Thank you.
Thank you, Sneh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to embark on a journey into the past, recent past, last year.
That's right. Today the stage isn't merely a stage. We are transforming it into a time machine, taking us back to 2023.
So fasten your seat belts as we are travel back with Reach Beyond Chronicle.
I would like to present the Reach Beyond Chronicle, a presentation of all the events that happened during the year 23 to 24, birthday celebrations. A unique thing about our center is that we celebrate every student's birthday at center by cutting the cake, which is sponsored by Sweta ma'am, and we are grateful for her that. Summer camp. On the 1st May 2023, all students enthusiastically rushed to the center at 10 o'clock in the morning, eager and happy to attend the summer camp. Their curiosity was at peak as they were made to do several activities which were different from what they did regularly, like yoga, mehendi, and many more. Lunchtime especially was fun because all the friends sat together for it. But everyone was thrilled with one activity in particular, the mango party. Independence Day. As is the tradition on Independence Day, the students of Reach Beyond perform at Community Hall. The year 2023 taught our students about unity and diversity through the dance that they performed in the presence of community members of Gunrock Enclave Phase 1, Ganesh Chaturthi. To save the environment, children of Reach Beyond made eco-friendly Ganesh with red soil and took it to their home for puja. Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day was the perfect day to show our gratitude to our volunteers by conducting games to entertain them. National Institute of Fashion Technology students visit. To work and build on the creative side of our children, students of National Institute of Fashion Technology visit Reach Beyond every year for a session of Each One and Teach One, wherein children learn photography, art and craft, music and dance and music, etc. Our students expose them to comprehensive gratitude as we at the center practice gratitude every day. Diwali celebrations. The festival of lights. Diwali was celebrated by painting diyas at the center and take it to home, one of which we would like to present. Bal Kalakar event. Our students enthusiastically participated in the Bal Kalakar event organized by Rotary Club and painted mesmerizing perception straight from their imaginations. Winter camp. Reach Beyond conducted winter camp for the very first time. Students were engrossed with the competition of jumble words. To inculcate sharing and caring, appreciating tasters, we conduct community lunch and enjoy the varieties of food from different kitchens. Sankranti celebrations. Sankranti is celebrated every year with Muggu competition and prizes being distributed in the presence of the parents who joined us for lunch. Republic Day. On Republic Day, our children performed a wonderful skit on the secularism at the community hall of Gunrock Enclave Phase 1. Picnic. Every year, we go for a picnic in one group, but this year, we made two groups. Our senior children explored cultural heritage by visiting temples of their own choice, and the juniors learned about the wild side of nature while visiting the zoo. Oh, I remember. Earlier, we also went to Sudhakar Museum, Divya Retreat, Chanminar, and Thank you.
Thank you for the memorable journey. Reach Beyond team always remains indebted to all volunteers for making this wonderful journey possible. Special thanks to Gunrock Ladies Organization for adopting Reach Beyond.
I welcome our little kids to show their talent by singing a song. Aarti, Kailash, Miti, Diksha, Aruna, Arvind and Rohan.
आनौ दाडा पारी दाडै पारी मेरो मन वर्षौं दिन नै बिति गयो कहिले हुने हो सङ्गम आउँदैछ दिन हामी भेट्ने अब मन मेरो भयो मगन हो तिमी आउने आसीमा अब मनमा छ यो गगन हो यादमा तिम्रो कान्छ मैले तिमीले चाहन्छ तिम्रो मायामा नाच्न थाले म गिन्ताङ गिन्ताङ तागिन गिन्ताङ मादलको तालैमा नाच्यो छमा छम छम छम्मा छम्मा 1 2 3 Thank you children for such a melodious Nepali song.
I welcome Samira to showcase her dance talent.
मैं नाच हो गए हम और तुम तो उड़ गई नींदें और खन की पायल मस्ती में तो कंगन ये पहली बार मिले तुम पे ये दम निकले तुम पे ये जवानी धीरे धीरे मांगा मचले हम्मा हे हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to thank the team of Reach Beyond, especially the founders and advisory board for inviting me and making me part of this wonderful evening. It is a great honor to stand here today and speak in front of you all on this special occasion. The annual function is a day of celebration and a day to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of each and every member involved in the organization. Reach Beyond for the past 15 years committed towards optimizing psychological, emotional, social and physical health by professional psychologists, counselors, remedial educators and corporate trainers through positive psychology, and I am delighted to be here to address such an inspiring NGO community. Osimum International School, established in 2013 and completed 11 years, knowing the importance of giving value and based education to make phenomenal progress, glad to inform you that we have opened another branch at Mahindra Hills, West Maradballi, in a plan to open another branch in Kompally too. Being the chairman of Osimum Educational Group of a school, I am glad to announce that you can have this from your school. First, I will give for 5 students free education, free admission into my school. Thanking you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for such a spontaneous gesture. There's one request from our end, that students of class 8th, if they could come as an exchange program, not all, 2 or 3, for 1 month in your school, we will take permission from this school, because there are lots of exchange program happens. So they will get exposure at a right time. Thank you so much.
Indeed, it's a knowledgeable speech. Thank you, sir, and we are truly honored to have the opportunity to hear your enlightening words today.
Now I would like to call Sneh, Bhargavi, Soumyalata, Snehalata, Dhanush, Uday Kumar, Akshita and Akashi upon the stage to present a wonderful dance blend of grace and energy.
घर पे ये बोल दो आएंगे देर से फिक्रे सब छोड़ दो आज हक से अपने हिसाब में हम जो करने चले गलती वो जोड़ लो तो आज यार कुछ लम्हों के लिए बिगड़ी राहों पे तुम पैरों को मोड़ दो आज हक से दुनिया को भूल के जितने हैं कायदे वो सारे तोड़ दो हो खुले ग्राउंड में आके ऊंचा साउंड बजाते रेड वाला कलर लगा के नाचेंगे हीरो बनकर
On this beautiful evening, Aruna and Kailash want to share their experience about Reach Beyond, and Tanishka want to talk about Reach Beyond.
Now I am from class 4. Now I am going to talk about my life in Reach Beyond. When I came in Reach Beyond, I didn't have any friends because I came from Nepal. Now I have many friends and I learn here many things like maths, English, science, social and etc. And here we do Zumba, stitching, mehendi class and etc. Thank you. My name is Kailash. I am studying 4th class. आज मैं रिच बैंड के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. मैं रिच बैंड आई तो इंग्लिश हिंदी कुछ नहीं आता था. रोज आए तो इंग्लिश मैथ्स पूरा आ गया. Thank you. I love you, Reach Beyond.
I'm going to speak about my lovely Reach Beyond. Reach Beyond is a center for positive psychology after school program. I joined here in 2021. Now it's 2024. It's 4 years journey for me. Now I'm going to share my experience with you all. When I joined here, I don't know how to speak English. I was very scared of volunteers. I was feeling shy to speak with everyone because I don't know English how to speak. Now I can speak well. And you all know in summer camp I learned stitching, embroidering, mehendi, painting, Zumba, etc. From Reach Beyond we went to so many places. First I like Golconda Fort because there we saw Deepika Bonal. We enjoyed to seeing that Bonal and we share our food with our friends and etc. Do you all know what is gratitude? Gratitude is thanking someone from the heart. Now I'm thanking someone. I'm thankful to Jayshree ma'am for giving me an opportunity to speak on the stage. Thank you, Reach Beyond, and I love you, Reach Beyond.
Now, get ready to get your Josh high as our juniors will be performing on an energetic number. Aarti, Meghana, Anisha, Elena, Tanishka and Jyoti.
जरा बोले अब कुछ करिए कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए तुम पे करिए या करिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए तुम पे करिए या करिए चमके गलियों में राशन की फलियों में बैलों में बीजों में ईदों में बीजों में रेतों के दानों में फिल्मों के गानों में सड़कों के गड्ढों में बातों के अड्डों में भूखा राज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले रहना यार पीछे कितना भी कोई गीते बस है नाम है जी सिद्ध है तो सिद्ध है जी किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही बस चाहिए कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए तुम पे करिए या करिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए तुम पे करिए या करिए चमके पतंगों में भिड़ती उमंगों में खेलों के मेलों में पल खाती रेलों में गन्नों के मीठे में खद्दर में छींटे में ढूंढो तो मिल जाओ कत्ता बोलीनों में रंग ऐसा आज बिखरे और खुल के आज बिखरे मन जाए ऐसी होती रग रग में चल के बोली दस है ना बस है जी सिद्ध है सिद्ध है जी किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही बस चाहिए कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए तुम पे करिए या करिए हाँ कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए तुम पे करिए या करिए चमके
Thank you, juniors. Your performance got our Josh high.
Oh, you know something? Elections are round the corner. So voting is important. It's a right and it's our duty too.
Let's hear it from Akashi, Dhanush, Anisha, Meghana, Akshita, Praharshita, Aarti, Tanishka, Uday Kumar, Sushant, Jyoti, Alina.
Namaste class. Today is a special day. We are going to choose our class leaders. Let's meet our candidates, Anisha and Dhanush. Anisha, please tell us why should we choose you as our leader?
Namaste everyone. I am Anisha. I believe I would make a good class leader because I want to bring our class together like a family. I want everyone to learn and grow, for which I will convince our principal to hold doubt clarifying sessions every week. I will also make sure that all your demands are taken note of by your teachers. If you want to grow, vote for me.
Thank you, Anisha. Dhanush, would you please tell us why should we choose you as a leader?
Namaste everyone, I am Dhanush. I want to be your class leader because I believe in celebrating every day. I want to make a class a joyful place for which I will request and convince for extra sports period. I will also give free canteen coupons for a free snack every day. If you want to enjoy the life, then vote for me.
Great speeches. Now it's time for you all to cast your votes. Remember, think about who will be the best leader for our class and choose wisely. Anisha and Dhanush, you may take your seat while the class votes. Okay everyone, you have elected your new class leader to be Dhanush. While electing your leader, you should think about how would they benefit everyone and make the future brighter, rather than just seeing your personal benefits which would not even help to build your future. I would like to know why Meghana and Sushant did not cast their votes.
Ma'am, I was feeling lazy to get out of my place.
Ma'am, since everyone else voted, my vote wouldn't have mattered anyway. You're wrong! Just out of laziness or the thought that your vote doesn't count. 2 precious votes were lost and the leader who would actually help you progress and build your future was not chosen. Remember that, think carefully before choosing your leader. Think carefully before choosing your leader and cast a vote as every vote matters. It's everyone's right and duty to vote. Thank you.
Thank you, children. Your performance was truly encouraging.
Brace yourself for a high octane dose of entertainment. Our little kids are going to do a dynamic performance.
Thank you, kids. You showed us great facial expressions. Let's have a huge round of applause for Tiny Tots.
Let's now invite Samira, Rohit, Sai Kiran, Guru Prakash, Soumya Lata, who wants to share their experience with all of us.
I am B. Guru Prakash, who recently written my boards exam, which went very well and the papers were very easy. And I'm feeling elevated to rejoin the center because I took a very long break. Actually, it's a 2 or 3 months break, which was very kind of boring because I didn't came to center and I was missing my friends, ma'ams and many more. So I am here. I will learn more things and I'll make sure this summer would be memorable and everything. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am B. Rohit. I completed my intermediate first year and it's pleasure meeting you all. And that was a wonderful experience in the Reach Beyond, and we came back here and with lots of enjoyment, and we would like to share our experience with last year. We have been doing YouTube development project since last year and it is successfully running, and I would like my friend Sai Kiran to speak.
Absolutely right. I am good evening everyone. My name is Sai Kiran. I recently completed my first year and I want as per Rohit, our experience was very tightly and amazing as give us the precious time, and please watch those videos and keep supporting us. Thank you.
I'm Samira. I'm a student of Reach Beyond since 12 years. A great journey of my life in Reach Beyond was very happy and enjoyable days in these 12 years. Have a lot of friends in Reach Beyond, and my heartful ma'ams and teachers are there here only. A very thank to every volunteers and who supports Reach Beyond for developing and encouraging us to a good level. And I have completed my intermediate second year, and now I am taking a training in Frankfurt Institution for Aviation since 1 month, and have been not coming since 3 months to Reach Beyond regularly because of some disturbance at home, and I'm sorry for everyone, and I'm thankful to all the students who are supporting me. And the dance which I have performed is only for 2 hours. I've just taken 2 hours of time to practice it, and I'm thankful to my juniors for doing perfectly with me. Thank you everyone, and love you Jayashree ma'am and Reach Beyond.
Completed my 10th. So firstly I'm sad because I have missed 2 months at Reach Beyond because of my exams, but I'm happy that I came back to Reach Beyond. That 2 months I had my exams. I missed Reach Beyond very much. I'm very happy to be a part of Reach Beyond. I learned many things. Firstly, where I came when I was 2nd class. Now I completed my 10th. So it's 8 years journey. I'm very happy. I learned many things in Reach Beyond, and I have built many friendships and bond with madams, and they encourage us very well. All are supportive and friendly. I'm so happy to be a part of Reach Beyond. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Soumya. I successfully completed my inter second year with the help of Reach Beyond. A special thanks to Mamata ma'am for sponsoring my college fees. It helped me a lot to build my career, and I'm very grateful to her. And thank you Reach Beyond for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you Samira, Rohit, Sai Kiran, Soumya and Ramya for sharing importance of being in Reach Beyond. The love, affection and knowledge we get is expressed beautifully.
Today, sitting among us is a graceful classical dancer, Hari Chandana, daughter of our beloved Shobha ma'am. Please welcome her with a round of applause.
ध्रुवुड जन्म तगनम तक तगजम तक तगरुम तक कृतक तगनम तगजम तगुंदरि कित तग तारि तारि तधिमि तधिमि तकित तगतम तहिद तत्तम रा रा यदुवंश सुधा मुदि चंद्र समीरारा यदुवंश सुधा मुदि चंद्र समीरारा यदुवंश सुधा मुदि चंद्र यदुवंश सुधा मुदि चंद्र समीरारा
समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र समिरार यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र यदुवंश सुधांबुधि चंद्र रत्नाकर समगंभीर रत्नाकर समगंभीर रत्नाकर समगंभीर रत्नाकर समगंभीर शतकोटि मन्मथाकार शतकोटि मन्मथाकार शतकोटि मन्मथाकार शतकोटि मन्मथाकार भासुर भुज बलरण शूर भासुर भुज बलरण शूर नारी जन मानव चोर 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 सम्मेरु समानाधीर सम्मेरु समानाधीर सम्मेरु समानाधीर सम्मेरु समानाधीर सम्मेरु समानाधीर सम्मेरु समानाधीर कविजन पोषक मंदार कविजन पोषक मंदार परराज शत्रु संहार परराज शत्रु संहार भरत शास्त्र निधि नीवीर 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 भरत शास्त्र निधि 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 नीवीर सरसत कल कर नीवीर सरसत कल कर नीवीर 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 तरकत कल कर नीवीर तरकत कल कर नीवीर तनु करुణ చూచుటకు వేళర ఇది వేళర చల వేళర మదిగోనర నీదోనర నన్నేలు కోరా కార యదువంశ సుధాంబుధి చంద్ర సమిరార యదువంశ సుధాంబుధి చంద్ర రత్నాకర సమగంభీర రత్నాకర సమగంభీర శతకోటి మన్మథాకార శతకోటి మన్మథాకార భాసుర భుజ బలరణ చోర భాసుర భుజ బలరణ చోర నారీ జన మానవ చోర నారీ జన మానవ చోర సమ్మేరు సమ
Thank you, Harichandana. Shobha, where are you? Such a talented daughter you have. We're so happy. I was sitting there, so children were telling, ma'am, she's doing so beautifully. So that is what you deserve. One round of applause from all. So before they say formal vote, I would like to thank everyone present here for making this event a wonderful program. And my special thanks goes to Mol Shri. Come, Mol Shri. Our volunteer who relentlessly stood behind and saw through the performance, because I am not well and she's the one who took it. Ma'am, don't worry, I am there. Thank you very much for being there. And also thanks to Sneh, because last minute she came in. Auntie, I will also be of help, and there she is. She became one with the children. Thank you, Sneh. And Samira, well done. Just 2-3 days back, she came back to the center and I said, Samira, every time you go and come back, you go and come back. Do something on your own this time. And she proved it that she has learned something at the center. It was last year that she had choreographed all the dances. And this year, spontaneously, she has done this. Well done, Samira. Keep it up. And my boys, welcome back. You all are doing very well. We hope that you all will do more better. All the best to you all. And these girls, these two girls, after she I think will tell her own experience. Please.
I think everyone know my name. My name is Sneha Lata. I was here in Reach Beyond before 5 years. So at that time I don't even know what is Gmail. Now I can do all computer work at the center. I can assist madam for her psychology classes also. And with Jayashree ma'am help, and I got seat in Yashoda Institute of Paramedical Sciences in DMLT. And I truly believe gratitude works out, because Jayashree ma'am always say practice gratitude, practice gratitude, practice gratitude. And she proved that it will work out definitely. Thank you.
I'm Bhargavi and I'm studying BCom second year. I joined Reach Beyond, I think, in second class, and
went away for
a long time in 9th class. So now again in degree first year, I joined again Reach Beyond, and also I became as a volunteer with Jayashree ma'am's help. Thank you so much, ma'am. And now I became very confident that I can do anything with myself, and self-confidence is more for me now. And also with Jayashree ma'am's help, I'm learning more computer skills. Thank you, Jayashree ma'am, for doing this all.
These two girls come daily, even after this college, they are there to support and volunteer and help out these little ones. And my Anita, thank you so much. Rosemary, thank you very much for being there. And all the volunteers who have come, Vasant sir, Lakshmi ma'am, Lakshmi is somebody who is the heart of Reach Beyond. And Ahuja ji, thank you very much for being the backbone of Reach Beyond. Reach Beyond cannot function without you. Thank you so much. And thank you Dhruv and Kushi for being here. Thank you Meera, Mini, Manju, Kaushalya, Sangeeta. Thank you very much.
On behalf of entire Reach Beyond team, I stand before you to express our heartfelt gratitude for sparing your time and being with us for this wonderful event and making it a grand success. And we are thankful to Gunrock Enclave committee members and staff for providing us this venue. And we are grateful to Shankar uncle and Uday Babu uncle for always being with us. Thank you.
I request everyone to join for refreshments.